Hello and welcome to the Friends First coaching videos. My name is Catherine Gray. Today I'd like to talk to you about the little things you can do in a relationship that make a big difference. Just a couple of things, couple of things for you to think about here. Now the first is give little gifts. It's a really lovely thing to do. It doesn't have to be expensive, but it shows the other person that you're thinking about them and that they mean something to you. So it might be a smaller gift as a little slice of cake or a little chocolate biscuit that's been beautifully wrapped or is just a little bit different or just something that you know the other person will like. My husband often goes to the store and comes back with what I say is something special. And that something special might be a Florentine or a piece of cake, something that he knows I'll really think is nice. It could be a small bunch of flowers. It doesn't have to be big. Again, it's just a little something to say, I've been thinking of you, you're special. The second thing that really makes a big difference in a relationship is really listening to someone. Listen to the person you're going out with. Spend the time and really concentrate on what they're saying, not on what you're going to be saying next. It's a really lovely gift you can give someone, and it's the most special thing to be really listened to properly. So those are my two things, two gifts. The gift of something physical that you can buy, something small, or even that you can make, actually, that's another lovely thing. And the gift of listening. Give those two things to your partner and your relationship will be in a better state. I hope that's useful. Thank you very much. If you would like more information about our service, you're looking to find more ways to meet other people, please give us a ring on 0208 088 3023. That's 0208 088 3023. Alternatively, click the link below. We'll be delighted to hear from you. Thank you. Goodbye.